Alright, part 2. Alright, we got more eggplant and lots of French beans going. I have some basil red leaf coming up, these little babies. This is Austin, Texas, so we have at least 2 seasons, if not 3. More green beans. Oh, and the thing about these green beans, I planted a bunch over here, and when they first started coming up, I just dug them up, the extras, and put them over here, and it worked. Look at them. They're doing great. This tomato plant was cut from my original tomato plant. I just put it in some water, took off all the bottom leaves, put it in some water until it got roots, and I planted it. And it's doing its thing too. Flowers on the eggplant. I can't wait for my eggplant. I missed the season for oh wow. I was gonna say, what is this yellow flower? Oh, I know what that is. Okay. The yellow flower is a stray cantaloupe that decided to crawl up the eggplant. I mean, it was just stray, so I just planted it just to see what it would do, and apparently it wants to do something. This is my basil. I don't use as much as I should because I need to cut it more, because if you cut it, it'll bush out more. It'll be a lot more bushy. Sweet red peppers. Oh no, they never really did much. Neither did the jalapeno. And that right here, my friends, is ginger. Let me pick up my trash. The red Russian kale is still doing great. I just cut a bunch yesterday morning for rice, and the same with the arugula. I cut a bunch of that for the rice, and I also cut a bunch of baby mustard and Swiss chard. The tomato plant I grew from slices of tomatoes. Look at that. They're not very big, but one is getting red, and here are the others. Here are the others. Oh God, I promise you guys I'll get better at this. I'm still trying to get my life together. Oregano is doing well. You know, I should put it in a bigger pot. Aloe, same thing, needs another pot. And this is the new layer tote. You can see it's got coffee grounds. I think this is on its 3rd layer. I've already put down a layer of topsoil. And it's on top of boxes, you know, cardboard boxes and stuff like that, like the other totes are. Except for one, when I didn't know this. So I'm going to put some more you know, toilet paper, that kind of stuff in there over the week, and some more organic material, and then some more topsoil, and then I'll put on the final soil and we can grow more things. And this guy, let's see if I can get good lighting on him. He's just been growing in this little black pot down here. It's another Asian eggplant. I'm really waiting for my eggplant. My kids and my ex-husband would make fun of me about the eggplant. Anyway, thanks for giving me a few minutes. It's just been a long week, and I think it's been that way for everybody on some level. So I love you all, and I hope next week is more of a relief. And I'll do my best to get out those videos I told you I was going to doing, like on the water purification and stuff. Okay, I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.